In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth connected but no sound in Windows 11. First, go here, type services, then search for Bluetooth support service. Press B to find it faster. Bluetooth support service, click on it. Select to automatic, click apply, OK. If this says start, if it's not started, just click start and then apply and OK. As you can see, it's already started. Now you're gonna see a restart button. Click restart to restart the service. After this, go to CMD, right click and then run as administrator. Here you're gonna run a command, so type dism/online/cleanup image restore health, then press enter. And once this is done, you can just close this and restart your computer and you should be good.